Why does that make any sense? I don't understand how you, being from Philly, makes you put your pants on any different from how I put my pants.
An airport is usually a place of hurried yet orderly travel, but one incident suddenly disrupted that rhythm. In May 2023, a case involving an intoxicated passenger at Orlando International Airport drew police intervention, revealing the tense intersection of alcohol, violence, and law enforcement.
Hey, fellas. So you guys have a seat over here in these chairs?
Level 1B reference to the
You have some water for him? I don't. I don't.
You can't get any water for him at all?
No, I'm more worried about looking at you guys. So there's obviously there's some allegations here that I'm trying to figure out.
I know.
So if you guys can have a seat while we figure this all out, that'd be great.
You want water, man?
I need water.
No.
Bro.
I need water.
Are you going to refuse water for him?
I don't have water on me. Do I look like, do I have water?
Can you get a water for him?
No, I'm more worried about looking at you guys. Okay? Because I'm just trying to figure out everything that happened. I'm not worried about water. What I'm worried about, does he need medical attention?
Yes.
He needs sit down.
He needs
sit down.
water.
Please.
He needs water.
Does he need medical attention?
He needs water.
Okay, I don't have water on me. I don't carry a water bottle around. Do you mind if I get your ID before you leave?
Fine. Perfectly fine, bro.
You have a seat right there, please, sir.
All right. Send him off.
From the bodycam footage, it is clear that the suspect was highly emotional, incoherent in speech, and repeatedly mentioned being from Philly, seemingly as an explanation or excuse. However, officers firmly emphasize that regardless of location, everyone is equal under the law, and it is actions, not origins, that matter.
No, I'm good right here. I don't care where you're from. That makes no difference to me, sir.
You don't want to.
No, I'm just trying to figure this all out. That's what I'm trying to do.
All right. Leave it alone.
I've been trying to tell you that. Just hang tight. We can figure all this out.
To breathe.
Leave it alone. You're right.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Right.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
You're right.
Hey, don't do that. Watch yourself. You're going to land your ass in jail.
Hey,
All right.
I need any water.
I understand that. My concern is more so figuring this all out.
My ID?
No.
No. I'm not talking about you.
26 and 188, 97. So what happened?
Right.
Please.
So we were going down the elevator and the garage, and so there was a group of people. It was an older guy and a younger guy, and I think those are the main ones. The younger guy forced his way into the elevator.
Okay.
The doors were closed.
Which elevator?
In the first level, we take the elevator in the second level
from the parking structure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Down. And they were looking very intoxicated. The other guy was looking disoriented. And then when we got down, they were blocking the way. We squeezed ourselves through the corner there, and then as we walked around 20 to 30 steps out, the younger guy came and assaulted us. He punched my dad and like pushed him to the ground and then punched me in the face. I couldn't
trying to get out?
I don't really understand. I couldn't really understand what's happening. I couldn't understand the speech. It was really slurred. He looked really intoxicated.
Right. So when they were standing in front of the doors and you guys were behind them and you were just trying to get out and you're like, excuse me, trying to get out.
But the old man was the first and completely drunk, So excuse me, he protect me to pass. So but just like this.
The older guy, I don't know if he was blocking the way intentionally, but I'll find it. If you just have like an ice pack.
We bring everything for everybody. So.
Thank you. The older guy, he just looked like he was disoriented. He didn't know where he was, and he couldn't get out of the way. He was almost falling down.
Okay.
I excused myself, like excuse me, taking my mom by the arm because we were starting to get worried about the way they were acting. And when we were, a couple of seconds after we got out of the elevator, the younger man came running to us.
Right.
Punched me in the face.
Where did
saying, what is it? What is it?
What was he saying? What were they saying?
It
Something
was
like what
really
you're
hard
saying.
to. It was really hard to understand what they were saying.
Where did they? Where were you located when they punched you?
So, you know where those belts are?
Yep.
Around halfway through them. Not on the belts outside, but
About halfway down.
yeah.
That's a pretty good ways away. So, like, here from that garbage can over there, you think? From the elevator? That garbage can that's right there in the middle over by the counter? See the gray one? Or about as far as those guys are?
Maybe farther than that.
Okay, yeah. All right. So, here's my question to you.
Going on to 184 unit check.
If we establish a crime occurred during this investigation, do you want to prosecute these guys and have them go to jail?
Okay,
Then we would not like to.
Okay.
I have a ask for you.
Yes, sir.
In another case like this, if I react and punch back, I will have a problem.
No, you can defend yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because he didn't nothing. The guy came, punched him, and they didn't know.
Right, I know.
You're not familiar.
No, you don't have to let somebody just wail on you, you know, and just keep punching you. So you can defend yourself, but you have to be reasonable about that. So you defend yourself until you stop the attack and you can distance yourself or whatever. It doesn't mean you can go back and start pummeling the guy and ramming his head into the ground and you know, it has to be something that's reasonable given the circumstances. So,
Witness testimonies further revealed how the conflict escalated. The intoxicated suspect allegedly attacked others in the elevator and later in the terminal, causing injuries. During the investigation, officers also clarified the legal boundaries of self-defense, stressing the importance of reasonableness in response.
Gate assignment, having to wait for that. The inbound from Philly.
Come here. What's up? What happened?
So we were drinking a little bit earlier,
Okay.
and I believe these two guys were like, acting kind of like weird in a way. Don't know how to explain it personally, but they took it to a certain level of offense, and I guess depending on where you're from, you look at certain things differently. And
Sit down, please, sir.
just sit down.
Sit down.
Come here, sit down.
No,
bro.
you already slapped my hand. You're about to go into handcuffs. You understand me? No, you don't understand. That's battery on a law enforcement officer. Sit down. Conducting an investigation.
So at the end of the day, I'm just gonna flip the point. So we were in the wrong. I feel like that's my cousin, and that's my uncle, right? So they took certain things to a different level that it didn't have to be taken to, and things got physical. Things got physical, and that's it.
Okay.
I'm
supposed to leave today. How can I leave to Philly tomorrow?
tomorrow? Well,
Or today?
Well, today
I was supposed to leave today.
they're probably not going to let you on the plane today
Why?
because you're highly intoxicated.
Okay. I respect that.
Yes.
1 second.
Okay.
I'm just telling you what the
And
airline is probably going to tell
and
you.
I respect that.
Sure.
That's not nothing that I'm not denying.
Right.
How can I leave?
Well, as soon as we're done here in just a minute,
Respect.
we're going to get you out of here. Okay, so we'll get you with your nephew here, who hopefully can get you someplace where you can sleep it off. You can get a little better state of mind to where they'll let you on the plane, because they're not going to let you on the plane like you are now.
And I respect that.
I'm good with going. Roberto.
I know.
Hands behind your back.
I'm pressing my veins.
Put your hands behind your back. Let go of your arm.
All right.
There you go. Let go of that. Swallow. Safe. You got anything on you?
No.
Any weapons on you?
We'll check.
Knives?
No.
Okay.
How old are you? I'm about to be 20 next year.
Your dad lets you get intoxicated?
Nope. With my debit cards and everything else.
Your ID in here?
Yeah, right there.
I got his ID.
Oh, you got it?
You got it.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm about to be 20 next year.
Your dad lets you get intoxicated?
Nope. With my debit cards and everything else.
Your ID in here?
Yeah, right there.
I got his ID.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I
You
already
got
got
it.
his ID.
You gonna be that with dad, yeah? Is that your dad?
That's my cousin. That's my uncle. You know him right there?
Your uncle?
That's my uncle.
So how much have you seen copies of completing of 16?
That's my uncle.
Gonna be the A11 at the end.
Yeah, sit over there. And just lean up in the corner and you're straight. All right? At least you got you something to lean your head against, all right? I'm going to try to get this done as soon as possible. All right? What's up, man? I got you. I got you. All right? We just got to make better decisions next time. When you throw your hands up backwards like you did, yeah, you can. I'm doing an investigation, man.
I know.
That's why?
Nobody ever been there for my mom but me.
I understand that, but this doesn't help. You know what I'm saying? Acting the way you did does not help.
I went to Philly.
Why does that make any sense?
I tell you
I don't understand how you being from Philly makes you put your pants on any different from how I put my pants on.
I know, but Philly's, the cops were different.
Like what? They don't fight back?
Way harder than what y'all do.
Okay, I didn't even come in too hard.
I know you did.
So what? You thought I was just gonna let that slide?
No, I thought you was coming more than my cousin and my uncle waiting.
Still doesn't matter. Still doesn't matter, bro.
I thought you was gonna arrest them, both of them, and I didn't want that.
Even if you don't want it, if we have to do that, we still got a job to do, right? I don't want to do this, but I still got to do it.
Right.
All right.
I respect that.
Hang tight.
In the end, the individual was arrested and charged with battery on a law enforcement officer. This case serves as a reminder. In public spaces, intoxication can easily lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and serious legal consequences. No matter where you are, staying calm and exercising self-control is the key to avoiding tragedy.